Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to do color trading using a Telegram channel with an easy method. First, understand that color trading is a simple prediction game where you guess the next color in a sequence. Using a Telegram channel allows you to share these predictions, or signals, with a group, making it accessible for everyone. This approach simplifies the process, helping you manage and share trading opportunities effectively. To begin, open Telegram and create a new channel. You can choose between a public or a private channel, depending on your strategy. Give your channel a clear, inviting name and add a relevant profile picture to attract attention. Once set up, invite your initial contacts or share the channel link widely to start building your community. This foundation is crucial for your trading group. A successful channel relies on a solid trading strategy. Develop a consistent method for predicting color sequences, perhaps based on patterns or indicators. When sharing signals, be precise. State the color, the amount to invest, and the expected outcome. Always remind your members about risk management, advising them to only risk a small percentage, like 2% or 3%, of their capital on any single trade. Keeping your channel active and engaging is key. Provide consistent updates, answer questions, and foster a supportive community. For monetization, you might offer premium signals for a subscription fee or explore affiliate marketing opportunities. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. Building trust and providing value will help your channel thrive and potentially generate income.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.